guys, thank you for watching video. And today I am making a moyogi style, which means a formal upright style bonsai from this material. This material I will cut to the center at March and put to this headboard, and it's been 3 months, so it has enough root right now, so now we can get time to wiring. So let's see. Alright, now, so as I said, I was reported at the March, and I've cut to the center that time. Here, right here. There is a thick branch over here, and it was planted like this at the first time, and I repotted to the headboard and I just lay it down a little, because I want to make this branch as a first branch in Ichineda in Japanese, and going to curve this one to this side like this, and make second branch and make the tops, and this is called formal upright in English. In Japanese it's called moyogi style, moyogi tree. Right, let's roll it. First, I think this tree is a bit too laid down, too over, so I wire this to the thickest part and a bit change the form. Okay, first I need to change the form like this, and make a shape down to this way, and this is gonna be a second branch. So from this part, change the center like this. Okay, it's good. This is going to be a first branch. Right, the most important thing to make a formal upright, that is, it is this one, the first branch, and make the good shape. That's all. If you can make these 2 points, then you already finish the moyogi style. The other branches just fall into this place and this place and make shapes. That's all. Okay. First, you need to show your curve you make at the trunk. So from the front part, you better take off these small buds to show the trunks and to show this curving. Then everyone can see this is a moyogi style tree, and these buds are too long, so I cut the buds here. This is Senjumaru tree, so this tree will have more buds, many buds in the future. When you cut it right now, it's now in July in Japan, and normal black pines cut the buds at the middle or end of the July, but this Senjumaru tree have very small buds in the future, and it will be more than ordinary black pines, so it's better to cut in faster than ordinary black pine, so it's better to do it in early in July. Okay, this is going to be a first branch, and this one will be a second branch. Okay, let's make a second branch. So I said the most important thing is the first branch and the shape of the trunks. That's true. And secondary important thing is this second branch and this back branch. Did you make this one? So that's too big, so I cut it and hope we will have a more small and more buds in the future. This bud is big too. Cut it, too big. Right. So now you can see first branch and second branch, and you can see the good curve of the formal black style. So the most basic style is already completed, so I just find it. And let's make a finish. Let's do. Alright, now finish the forming. That's it. This is the front side and this is the back side. So from the front side you can see a first branch and you can see this curve, and you can see the second branch too. And from the back side it's hard to see the curve of the trunks, but you can see many leaves from the back side. So when you see it, you can start to see these back branches, so you can feel the depth of the tree. So many people are don't caring about this back branch, so trees is always gonna be very thin. There's no depth, so you can't feel it big tree and just a very thin tree. But if you get this back branch, you feel it the depth, and you can feel this is a big tree and this is a dynamic style of, because you can see these branches here, so you can feel the tree's thickness. So this is very important place. So there's three important things. I said the first branch is the carving, and it's the back branch. So then you can make a formal upright very easily. This is it. Yeah, you can do it easy, right? Okay. Now I am going to show trees formal upright style Senjumaru Black pine in mini bonsai trees, which I made this time. So just check the design of the trunks, and the first branch where will be the back branches. So you can see it. The old tree, I'm caring about the designs, the first branch, the back branch, and that's all. The others are just following these branches and make it automatically decided. Can you see? This is what I made this time. I showed you. So too. It's good. So from the front side, you can see the trunks moving, first branches and the second branch, and from the back side you can see many leaves, which says the back branches. So you can see it slightly, you can watch these leaves so you can feel the depth of the tree. So you can feel it's a big tree. It's not a thing, but it's a big tree. This is same. All same. This tree also. Have a back branch here. First branch, second branch, top. To see the curve. So these are the seedling materials, so it might be difficult to find good branches, but maybe in the future this will grow and we will have a new birds, because this is Senjumaru tree, so there will be many birds more than ordinary black pines. So when you make the curve and grow it for a year, maybe you can have more birds around here and here, and maybe you can use some birds in the future to be good branches. So now you just do what you have. So, and these Senjumaru trees will have many branches when it is a seedling, so you have to choose which is the good one to use and which you have to drop it. It is the most difficult thing to do, to choose the best branches. But as I said, the important thing is only a first branch. We're talking about the branch. The first branch is the most important thing. Usually just you choose by the feelings, like this branches have many buds, so I want to use it. This branch is very thicker than the other ones, so I want to use it. That's okay. So just make the good first branch. That's all. So then you can make a good shape in the picture. That's it. So thank you for watching my videos, and if you like it, you subscribe and give me likes and give me comments, share to SNS. Everything is welcome. So thank you for watching and see you next time. See you. Bye bye.